So we made it. We're doing a shakedown on the M3 now that we got the clutch back in. We made it here safely, so let's do a drift day. So we start off by loading the E36 on the trailer. This time we have our friends Tacoma. Shout out to friends who support your hobbies. On the way there, this police pulled over the M2. Then we pulled up to Sonoma and got the tires on because we had a lot of people with us today. Very easy to change everything quickly. And then we started drifting. Hey everybody, it's Justin here. If you love automotive content just as much as I do, I would love your support. Like the video if you like the content, drop a comment below to let me know what you guys want to see next, and subscribe to follow the build and the journey of me learning how to drift. In return, I promise to bring you guys every step of the way so you guys are part of the journey. Thank you so much for your support, and let's build something together, y'all. Peace.